What is up, ladies and gentlemen? If you are new to this channel, thank you so much for checking me out. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get the latest buzz on everything comic book movie related. Should you be incredible and do all of the following, will indeed qualify you for a giveaway I'll be doing. Stay tuned to the very end of the video for the rest of those details. In this video, I'll be talking about some newly leaked Avengers Endgame Lego toy sets that could spoil some major events that happen in the movie, along with marking the return of some old and new Iron Man armors. Need I say more? Let's dive right in. Let's begin with the first Lego toy set. It shows a major battle going on between Iron Man and the Outriders. If you look closely, it shows the return of some major armors that we thought were destroyed in Iron Man 3. In specific, the Eagle armor Mark 38 that was made for heavy lifting. It also shows the Mark 41, codenamed Bones. The Mark 41 has been heavily rumored to appear in Avengers Endgame. Its specialty is speed and durability. I cannot confirm either way if this takes place in the past or future, but in my opinion, I believe this event will take place in present time considering Iron Man does not have his quantum suit in this set. The second leaked toy set shows Ant-Man, Hawkeye, Black Widow, and Thor in the Quinjet taking on the Chitauri. In my opinion, I believe this will take place in the past, considering that the Chitauri are really not prominent in the MCU and they are in their quantum suits. The third set shows a major battle going on between Captain Marvel, Iron Man, Nebula, Hulk, Thanos, and an Outrider. If you look closely, Iron Man is donning his brand new Mark 85 armor that we have yet to see in any other movies. We can pretty much confirm this will take place in present time for Avengers Endgame, considering the return of Captain Marvel and Thanos' new armor that we really didn't see much of in Infinity War. And finally, the last toy set I would like to talk about shows Steve Rogers in his quantum suit in this brand new motorcycle taking on the Outriders. I don't know if this scene will be in the movie, it could just be a gimmick for the toy set, but in my opinion, this is pretty darn cool. Well, there you have it, some newly leaked Avengers Endgame toy sets. What are your thoughts on these? Sound off down below. Now, let's get into the giveaway details. I will be giving away your choice of a Venom or Aquaman poster, and like I previously stated, all you have to do is give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. The more likes and comments you leave in my videos increases your chances of winning. Well, thank you so much for tuning in. I will catch you next time.